Why multi-cloud DevOps is becoming the new standard. One cloud is no longer enough. Enterprises are no longer relying on a single cloud provider. They use one for compute, another for AI services, another for data storage. Multi-cloud is becoming normal. Why companies are choosing multi-cloud? Avoid vendor lock-in, improve resilience, optimize cost, meet regional compliance requirements. Flexibility is becoming strategic, but complexity increases dramatically. Different tools, different APIs, different security models. Without strong DevOps practices, multi-cloud turns into chaos. DevOps becomes the unifying layer. DevOps teams now standardize C/CD pipelines across clouds, infrastructure as code templates, security policies, monitoring frameworks. Consistency becomes the goal. Observability must be centralized. You cannot manage what you cannot see. Unified dashboards, cross-cloud tracing, centralized logging. Visibility becomes power. Cost control becomes harder. Each cloud has different pricing models. Without governance, costs escalate silently. DevOps must integrate FinOps thinking. The new skill requirements: cloud-agnostic architecture, Terraform and infrastructure as code mastery, cross-platform security knowledge, automation at scale. The strategic shift: DevOps is evolving from deployment automation to cloud orchestration. The 2026 reality: multi-cloud is not just a tech decision. It's a business strategy. And DevOps engineers who can design across cloud boundaries become enterprise-critical assets.